Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to read and write image files in MATLAB. Before that, we need to write the initial commands. That means clc, clear all and close. Before read the images, we have to take one variable. That means a is equal to, here imread is the command for reading an image. So inside the single quotes we have to provide the file name football.jpg. Football is the file name, .jpg is the extension. Then if you save and run the program, go to save and save as reading. If you run the program, if you press the green button, so football BALL, you can see the pixel values. This is the pixel values of the image what we reading here. Then if you want to show the images, means figure comma im show off here. If you want to display the image, means we have to write the command as im show off here. Then if you are running, means we can see the images. If providing the title, means title of input, you can see the image with title. Then if you want to know the pixel values of the image, means go to command window, type as im tool of the variable of a. If you put enter, one window will open, maximize it. Then in left side corner there will be a second option, will be the inspect pixel value. If you click that value, you can see the whole pixel of the image. Then again in left corner there is two options, zoom in and zoom out. When you zoom out, you can see the pixels of the image. When you zoom in, you can see the pixel value of the image. Actually we are reading the RGB images, so we can see the pixel values of each pixel in the form of R, red, green and blue. Okay, then if you want to store or write the image, means there is a command is there, im write of a comma then file name, which name you want to give, mapping.jpg. Then if you run the program, this is the image input, and we are write these images in the form of mapping.jpg. It is stored in desktop, that is, yeah, we can find it here. This is the image which we written here. So this is the read and write command for files. Then if you want to convert our image into another form, that means RGB to grayscale, means we have to take a variable b is equal to RGB to gray of a. Figure comma im show of b. Run the program, we can see the grayscale of the image. If you want to know the pixel values, means again go to the command window and give it as im tool of b. Do the same thing. Yeah, here you can see the pixel values. Actually this pixel values all the pixels having only one pixel because it's a grayscale image. Grayscale image only contains a single pixel values. Then if you want to convert into RGB to binary means IM2 binary B figure comma IM show of C. You run it again means we can get the binary image. If you want to know the pixel values means IM2 of C. If you inspect the elements, you can find the pixel values. So all the pixel values having the value of zeros and ones. So that is the binary images. Now you can see it. So this is the difference between the RGB grayscale and binary values, and how to reading an image and write the images in MATLAB. Yeah, thank you.